Alright, I going to use the computer to watch something. Wait, watch this. Windows XP Vines? Huh, I never heard of those vines. I better have to get a try.
Samuel, what are you watching?
Oh, just watching Windows XP Vines.
Windows XP Vines.
Yep. I never heard of it, but I tried to watch those vines.
Yesterday, you said so just
Okay, why the fuck I hearing some errors the computer? What are you watching?
Windows XP Vines.
David. I got a headache.
Damn it, I better to just heal you.